Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing the functions and features of our Zifilink cloud controller or dashboard. So first of all we need to log into our dashboard. After logging in we can see that there is a weekly data usage graph, a data overview section, number of devices and a connected client list. So this devices shows the number of devices allocated to this particular devices. So we can see that there are two devices right now which is assigned to this user. And this all data is of the combined data for both the devices. So here we go, we can see that only one device is online and we can access the settings of that device. So right now we can click here or we can go to the devices, uh, select the device from here, status and settings. So I'll just make you understand what is the status section. We can see the total interface of our devices from cloud. We can access it from anywhere without physically being in contact with our device. So we can see that there is only one device, one interface connected to the device right now, and it is in port 1. Rest all ports are inactive. And this weekly usage summary will show the data used by the particular device in a week. Since this device is a new device which I added to the user recently, it doesn't have data. We can go to the settings from here. We can see that there are mainly 5 sections: device details, Wi-Fi settings, LAN settings, bonding settings and status settings. So in device settings we can change our device name to whatever we decide to. In Wi-Fi settings, we can change our Wi-Fi SSID and password to our desired Wi-Fi SSID and passwords. In LAN settings, we can change our private IP range as we desire. As well as we can set the DHCP range also and set another primary DNS server or secondary DNS server. In bonding settings, we can select a data center. Right now we have 4 data centers available: Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So the data centers are the region where the servers are located. So choosing a data center is a critical point affecting the speed of our connectivity. We should be always selecting a data center which is nearer to our current region. Right now if I am in Hyderabad, I'll be choosing Hyderabad, but if right now I am in somewhere in Karnataka, I'll be going for Bangalore server. And our device functions on two modes. One is bonding and one is load balancing. Bonding, we get a combined aggregated speed of the network, while in load balancing we only get the data from the best performing interface. So that's all about bonding settings. In status settings we can't change anything, it's admin controlled. If our device is suppose not working as we expected it to work or facing some issues, we can reboot it from the cloud itself by pressing this reboot device button. And we can check the speed test of our device in this speed test button by pressing the speed test button. And we can check our analytics also by going to analytics. This will show the basic details like weekly data usage, data overview, which is a live data transmitted by each port. So right now, since it has only one interface connected in port 1, it shows the graph of that, and a data usage graph of every 2 minutes. And it also shows the connected clients, reserved IPs. We can also reserve the device by pressing this reserve IP button here, and port forwarding. That's all.